quick reading for November the 3rd to November the 4th. Merong bumibelo dito water signs. No? Whether this is you or your person, it felt like this is the situation we're in. Sinasabi nitong person na ito is hindi pa ito tapos, no? I need to continue on this. We need to continue our connection. It ain't over. Kailangan magpatuloy pa kami. Marami pa kami pwedeng gawin. Marami pang pwedeng mabago. Marami pa akong pwedeng baguhin sa sarili ko at pwedeng matutunan dito sa relationship na ito. And it felt like I'm looking in a brighter side of it, looking on the silver linings of what happened, and looking forward in the future of having a positive commitment or positive let's say relationship with you, with the person. So it felt like maganda naman, although all those are just sabihin natin at the back of this person's mind, pero wala pa naman yung action. But the good thing here is, kind of foreseeing, no? Meron ng plan. The executions, maybe not in this the third of or fourth, but at least, no, your person or probably you is looking back. Water signs, this is your quick reading for November the 3rd to November the 4th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.